Now we are going to be working with our Sacral Chakra. And the musical note connected to the Sacral Chakra is the D. So we're just moving to the next area, and this is below the belly button. So when our root chakra is nice and healthy, this allows the Sacral Chakra to hopefully be really nice and healthy and balanced as well. So when we feel safe and secure, now we're moving up. So this is where our sexual energy is. This is where the desire is created, the self-expression, and this is going to be where you're feeling safe to express yourself truly and naturally and with ease. Creativity is born here. So when this area is nice and healthy, you're just going to start being yourself. You're building. Everything's building for the next one, which you'll see as we progress. So what I would like you to do is back to that breath. So when we take the breath in, and we're going to be using VAM. So we'll accentuate the VAM. So let's take a breath, and you can do this any tone that feels natural, and you can do it as many times as you feel you need to. So here we go. In. VAM. How did that go for you? I hope that you're getting a sense of the feeling and the activation, and just do it as many times as you need. So we've covered the C and now the D, and in the description I will add more information and keynotes, and then we'll be moving on to our solar plexus next. So I'll see you in the next video. And I did use the D Tibetan singing bowl. You don't have to, but I did, so this will help stimulate this area even more.